Now, in this video, you are going to see that what is going to be happen if the person is having the problem in his kidney, or you can consider as the blood is not getting purified properly through the kidney because kidney is not functioning properly. Okay, so here is our topic, that is a renal failure. Renal failure, renal basically stand for the kidney failure, and the technology what we are having for the survival. Okay, this is what is the picture. In this picture you are able to see that this is the patient's hand, in which you are able to see that the blood which need to be purified is going to be sent into a tank like structure, that is known as a dialysing tank. It is having the fluid like substance, that is known as dialysis fluid. Okay, and the structure through which these pipelines are made up of, it is basically cellulose in nature. So because it is having the some sort of permeability for few substances to pass through it, so when the blood is going to be passed into this tank, then whatever the impurities are there, like urea, like excess amount of the water, some of the salts, they are going to be released in this dialysing fluid. And by that time, on the side by side, this dialysing fluid is also getting changed with a fresh one. Here you can see that the fresh dialysing fluid is getting inserted in this dialysing tank, and whatever the dialysing fluid which has absorbed the waste material is taken out through this outlet. In between, this is the cellulose pipeline. Whatever the excretory product was there, it is releasing that excretory product or the waste material into this dialysing tank. Okay, so that waste material containing dialysing fluid is going to be released out, and whatever the substances which are required, then they are going to be or you can see that say that it is a purified blood through which we have taken out all the waste substances. Then again it is going to be moved back into the body. Okay, this is what is known as dialysis. Okay, now let's move. Kidney are basically the most vital organ, and it is required for the survival of organism, because whatever the body is taking in the form of input contains some sort of waste material. Also our body is also generating the waste material, it need to be released out from the body. Okay, and kidney is the organ which is performing this important function. It is going to purify the entire blood, and whatever the liquid waste products are there, it is going to be released out because of the kidney only. Okay, its efficiency gradually declines with normal aging process. As we grow up, when we will become old, that time its efficiency is going to be decreased. Example, its activity declines to about 50% by the age of 70 in human beings. When the human being reach to the age of 70, that time slowly the function of kidney is going to be declined by the 50%. Okay, it doesn't mean that 50% kidney is going to get damaged, but the function is somewhat getting affected. Other causes of decline in the normal functioning of the kidneys are diseases like kidney infection, injury, or it may be restricted blood flow to the kidney. Might be the blood vessels are not cleaned properly. That is the reason the blood is not getting. The supply of the blood is not getting to the kidney properly. Journal term for the decline in performance, if the kidney is not performing properly, the term which is used is known as a kidney failure or renal failure. It may result into death within a couple of weeks if not treated properly. If this problem is not going to be treated, then might be within the 15 days or might be more or less, the person is going to be dead. There are two alternatives. If this is a problem, then there are two alternatives which we are having. Either the person can go for the kidney transplant. For kidney transplant, the person require a donor. Okay, if it means someone is going to donate and someone is going to receive, and the person who is going to be received is known as the receiver, and the person who is going to donate will be termed as a donor. Okay, next option which we are having is an artificial kidney machine, and it may be used in order to get rid of metabolic waste from the body. Like I have shown you, that is a dialysis is a process which is performing this function of artificial kidney. The artificial kidney function on the same principle as the normal kidney, and the procedure is called the dialysis. The blood is pumped out of the body and made to flow into the dialysing machine. ठीक है, तो जितना भी blood होता है, it will be slowly moved to the dialysing machine, and inside the dialysing machine there is a fluid which is known as dialysing fluid. That fluid is absorbing the waste material. Okay, and that fluid need to be supplied with a fresh fluid by such a some sort of time, so that whatever the impurities are there, that impure fluid which is a dialysing fluid need to be removed from the other outlet. तो क्या करेंगे, fresh fluid को supply करते रहेंगे. On the side by side we will be taking the fluid which is used, that is the fluid which is containing the waste product, it need to be taken out. Now next thing, heparin is added to the blood to prevent clotting, because we have taken the blood out from the body in the cellulose, that pipelines, so we have to add a heparin so that the blood should not clot during the process of dialysis. Okay, the blood circulates slowly through the long cellulose tubes. This is the point which you have to note down. The material which we have used in the form of pipelines or the tubes which are containing the blood outside the body is basically made up of cellulose tubes coiled in a tank filled with the dialysing solution. Okay, next, the cellulose membrane allow ions, very small molecules and water to diffuse through it. So this cellulose membrane which is containing the blood to be filtered, okay, so it is basically allowing only few substances to move out, like ions, very small molecules, water, they can only diffuse out. Next, the blood corpuscles, platelets and protein molecules are too large and do not pass through the membrane. Whatever the bigger molecules like RBC, platelets, blood corpuscles like WBC, these are not able to pass through the cellulose membrane. Actually, they need not to be passed out. Okay. Finally, whatever the clean blood is pumped is there, it need to be pumped back into the patient, because now the blood, whatever the impurity, that waste material was there in the form of urea, salt, it was getting removed in the dialysing fluid. This was all about the process of dialysis. Here is a picture. Once again I'll show. So this is the blood which is going to be sent, ये blood pump है, ठीक है, it is going to be pumped inside this dialysing chamber. ये dialysing chamber कहलाता है. इसमें ये जो आप pipeline देख रहे हैं, this is a artificial pipeline or the tube which is made up of cellulose. Basically it's permeable for water and some of the ions, urea, but it's not permeable for each and everything like RBC, WBC, platelets. Okay, so whatever the waste material is there, it is going to be passed into this dialysing fluid, and that fluid which contains the waste product need to be removed. Okay, and side by side the fresh dialysing fluid need to be supplied inside the dialysing chamber. So this was all about the dialysis. Go through this much. Thank you.